Chasing clients and income is exhausting and unstable and unsustainable. It's a big problem when you are the one chasing, looking for people, always hustling people, DMing them, even some people spamming different places. You're looking for clients. Everyone looks at you. It's like you're desperate. You are needy. There's a better way to do this thing, a less stressful way. In fact, a stress-free way of doing this. You can attract income. You can attract customers. You can attract clients by doing things in a certain way. The certain way is simple. Create high value content that solves the problems of these people, helps them deal with their pains, and helps them surmount their challenges. If you do this correctly on the right platform, you are good to go. Over time, you will see a reverse. Instead of you struggling to find clients, clients will begin to find you. Let me break down the steps for you. Step number one is you must focus on one clear niche. You must be hyper focused on a specific audience. You are not going to attempt to serve everybody. Those people whom you have been trying to reach, clarify them. But if you have not started targeting anybody, or you're just coming online, find a high ticket niche where people have big problems and have a lot of disposable cash and are looking for solutions. So once you have identified the people whom you need to focus on them, forget every other person. Don't attempt to reach everybody, because by doing that you are diluting your reach. You are diluting your message, and that is what works against you. So after you have established the people you are focused on, your niche, the next step is creating high value content for this targeted audience on a high leverage platform like YouTube. I will just focus on YouTube for now, because YouTube is designed to give people what they need, what they are searching for, what will keep them watching on YouTube. So when people come to YouTube and they have serious challenges or pain points or problems, and they see your stuff, and your stuff is high value that helps them solve that problem or helps them remove that pain or surmount that challenge, they stick and start watching. After watching one video, some of them may watch 2, 3, 4, and come back another day to watch. They have now taken note of your channel. Go to your channel street and begin to watch other videos. YouTube takes note of that. And YouTube studies the profile of the kinds of people who interact with your content, who watch it for a long time. So it builds your target audience for you because you are focused. That is why you don't go trying to reach everybody. You have, remember, in step one, picked a focus niche. So every piece of content you create deals with the problems and challenges that these people in this tight focus niche are interested in. And once you do that, over time, after YouTube has studied your channel and understood that your content is for this specific audience, it will start serving your content to such people. So yes, you may not get massive views. You may not get a lot of views on your channel, but you get high quality views on your channel. And what you need is high quality views. I was discussing with somebody and I asked the person, if you wanted to sell a product or a service and you want to sell it live and you put out flyers and you come into the place, the event place, and you see 50 people who are highly targeted, who need what you are offering, and you are selling an expensive product, will you say you don't have enough people to make money? She said no, that she has enough people. But you see, when people come online, because they know online people go viral, they begin to think that you must have tens of thousands of visitors to make good money online. Listen, this particular channel you are watching this video on, if you check, depending on when you are watching, as at the time I am recording this, it had about 55,000 views cumulative for the entire channel. But it had made me over 200,000 USD over the years. So it had made me over, if you want to break it down to earnings per view, it had made me about $4 per view. Yes, all of them is not profit, revenue. So it's better for you to have 1,000 targeted prospects, high value prospects who really need what you have to sell, than getting 1,000,000 people who are casual watchers. Because from that 1,000, if you convert just 2% of them, how many have you got? 2% of 1,000 is 20. And if you're selling a high ticket product, you're making some good money there. So don't let the allure of virality confuse you when you come to promote serious stuff online. Understand that it is the people who need your stuff that you want watching. So don't derail and go for a popular topic that might get you more views. That is, if you want to get more customers, more clients, and make more money. If you want to rely on YouTube's monetization, then this video is not for you. The content you create must show your experience, must show your expertise, must help you build authority in the space, and must help you build trust among your viewers. If you achieve this, then promoting the offers you have to sell will be an easy thing. If you do it correctly, the next step is just to blend in your offers into this high value content. Yes, you have helped them solve this problem up to this point. You tell them, if you want to solve this problem even further, this tool will help you do XYZ. This product will help you do ABC. This service can handle all this for you. See, it just, because you have helped them solve the problem to a point, telling them that this will take them further, they won't have much resistance. In creating your high value content, you must make sure that your offers that you make are the next logical step after watching the value you have created. If they watch your video, the offer must flow seamlessly as the next logical step. If it doesn't flow seamlessly, then you have done the content wrong. So before you create your content, you need to be clear about the offer you want to promote at the end, and from there work your way back. Now, if you are promoting high ticket products and services, you don't expect people to buy from you at first exposure to your message. Marketers will tell you that most people need at least an average of about 7 exposures to your message before they make a purchase. If this is the case, then you need a way to re-expose them to your messages. And one of the easiest ways to do this is to get them on your email list. And for you to do that, you need to think about something of value you can give them that is digital in nature, that they'll provide their email and name, and you send it to their email inbox. We call that a lead magnet. Create a good lead magnet and set up a landing page where you collect their emails to give them this lead magnet. And when you collect their emails, you now keep sending them high value content that helps them with their problems, with their pains, with their challenges, and then blend in the offers you have for them. There's a way to go about email marketing correctly, but it's beyond the scope of this video. If you learn to do it correctly, you will see that you will no longer be struggling looking for clients, looking for customers. They will come to you via the content you have created on this high leverage platform. And then when they come watch your video, some of them might buy immediately, but most you bring onto your list where you keep nurturing them, giving them valuable content, being on top of their mind, and then linking them to your offer as they get more comfortable with you. If you do this correctly, then you will stop chasing clients and customers. You'll start pulling them towards yourself. But there is the right way to go about these things. You see, what I've just given you in this video is an overview. There's a way to do each of the steps properly. And if you don't get them right, you won't get these results. And you end up saying, but I published content. I published it on YouTube. I didn't get results. You didn't do it correctly. You didn't follow the right ways. So you need to learn how to do each of these steps correctly and the sub-steps in each of the steps. That is why you need a mentor who has been there and done that, who can take you by the hand from where you are, show you the various steps you have to take to get the results you desire. I'm glad to introduce our mentorship program. We will take you from wherever you are, teach you, show you, and guide you from that point to $10,000 per month. And we will do that within 24 months. We won't do the work for you. We will guide you to do the right work that will get you the results you are looking for. So if you are interested in joining our mentorship program, click the link in the pinned comment or description below. The title is $10K in 24 Mentorship Program. Click the link under it. But what if you don't have the time to go through a mentorship program, but you have some money and you want people to build out these digital assets for you that will be earning for you residually for years and years to come? Well, we have you covered. The second link in the pinned comment and description below is for our Done For You program. We call it DFY-Passive Income Digital Assets, PIDA. Click that link. So whether you click the link for our mentorship program or for our Done For You program, you will be taken to a page where we'll ask for your phone number, your email address, and your name. Once you provide it and submit, you will get an email within 5 minutes. Check your email. You'll be expected to confirm it. If you don't confirm that email, the conversation stops there. You won't hear from us again. So please open that email, click the link, and confirm your email. Once you do that, you'll get another message in the email from us that will give you 2 links. One to an overview document where you read about the program you want to get into, whether it's the mentorship or the Done For You. It will give you a clear view of what you are about to enter into. The second link will take you to an application form. So when you submit your form, you will get another email that will show you where you can book a call. There will be different times for you to pick which one is the most convenient for you. Once you book, you will get another email message with my phone number. You are not to call me. It's just so that you will save that number, so that when that time you book comes and I call you, you will know it is not a random stranger, but that it's me, a call you already booked for. When I call you, you can ask me all the questions you have about your choosing program, and then I will explain things to you. And once you're satisfied, we can give you the next information, the details for you to pay and join the program, whichever it is. The ball is now squarely in your court. You can transform your life. I know 2 years sounds like a long time for many people, but you know, it's not long. Before you know it, it's the end of 2 years. But just imagine that in 2 years' time, you are making $10,000 per month. In the current Nigeria, that's 16 million naira per month. Think about what 16 million naira per month will do for your family, for your loved ones, for you, for your vision, for your aspirations. It will be a dramatic change in your life for the best. So make the wise decision now. Click that link. Thanks for watching this video. God bless you and have a great life.